Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamdi bin Haziwan, and today I want to present about mechanical engineering profession, automotive engineering. This slide contains introduction on automotive engineering, responsibilities of an automotive engineering, educational and skills required, ethical issue related in automotive engineering, relating ethical issue with code of ethics, and the ideas on how to resolve the ethical issue. Introduction of automotive engineering and automotive engineering are one of the largest and most important industries in the world. It is a branch that deals with the designs, manufacture, as well as operation of mechanical mechanism of automobiles. It is an introduction to vehicle engineering, which includes cars, motorcycles, trucks, and buses. Automotive engineering uses the characteristics of various elements of engineering, such as mechanical, electrical, electronic, software, and safety engineering, for the right blend of manufacturing and designing of automobiles. Automotive engineers work in every areas of the industry, from the look and mechanism of cars to the safety and security of new forms of transportation. Responsibilities of an automotive engineering is to designing and testing various components of vehicles, including fuel technology and safety systems. They need to document all design drawings and blueprints in a database. They develop logistic and strategies for automotive engineering functions. They work in coordination with other automotive engineers. They integrate customer choices and options in automotive engineering activities. They study, understand, and make change in technical documentation and datasheets. The educational and skills required to join the automotive engineering. For education, they need diploma in automotive engineering, minimum of 3 credits including mathematics and science subject. For degree, um, they need A level, minimum of 2 principal passes. For STPM, minimum CGPA 2.0. The skills required is attention to any detail, even the smallest detail, creative mind to solve a problem, ability to adapt to a dynamic environment, and staying up to date. They need to be a team player with some management skills. The ethical issue related in automotive engineering. Some of the most common ethical issues that the automotive engineers face include issues of conflict of interest, corruption, and safety. The first one, conflict of interest issue. A conflict of interest occurs when an entity or individual becomes unavailable because of a clash between personal interests and professional duties or responsibilities. Engineers can most often become involved in conflict of interest when they are confronted with the possibility of working for more than one client on the same subject, on the same project. According to the Code of Ethics registered, professional engineering with practicing certificate not to accept benefit from more than one party. The second one is corruption issue. Corruption is the impairment of integrity, virtue, or more moral principle. It can also be an inducement to do wrong by improper or unlawful means. In the engineering industry, corruption can take several forms depending on who is involved, such as government official, owner funder, engineer, constructor, material supplier, equipment supplier, lender, and permitting agency. The main forms of engineering corruption are kickbacks and bribery from companies, bid rigging and coalition, fraud and conflict of interest. The third one is safety issue. Some of the workplace safety hazards related to engineering workshop are obvious, such as vehicle falling from hoist objects, moving vehicles, or tires exploding during inflation. They must comply with reasonable instructions and cooperate with any work health and safety policies and procedures that are in their place. Workers have responsibilities to take reasonable care of their own safety and ensure they don't impact on the health and safety of fellow workers, customers, or visitors. So these and ideas on how to resolve the ethical issue. They need to identify the problem, identify the constituents, diagnose the situation, analyze the option, make a choice, and justify a solution. Conflict of interest issue can be avoided by not complete, signed or sealed plans and specifications that are not in conformity with applicable engineering standards. Awareing the obligation in this case, the code of ethics, which the state that engineer can take interest from more than one parties, notify the proper authorities, and withdraw from further service on the project if the client or employer insists on such unprofessional conduct. Second, corruption issue can be avoided by educate all those workers in the profession, the next generation of engineers, constructors, owners, government leaders, material and equipment suppliers, and lenders on the true cause of corruption in their country. Encourage organizations to implement anti-corruption management measures in their organization and on their projects. Focus on reporting corrupt activity wherever it happens. And the last one, the safety issue can be avoided by providing workers with easy to understand information and training about particular job hazards and how to work safely. Keeping workers up to date knowledge about product labels, safety data sheets, and manufacturers' instruction manuals in workshop. Document all incidents and hazard reports to monitor the health and safety performance of the workshop as well as meet the legal requirements. So that's all from my slide. Thank you.